𝐿 King here. This pump here is having a hard time pulling prime, and I found where the leak's at, and I want to show you guys a quick little tip or hack you guys can do if you're waiting for an approval on the repair. So I'm going to show you where this is at. Now when I turn the pump off, you're going to see a bunch of water leaking right in here. So let me go ahead and do that. See all that water coming out? So that's where the air leak is, and it's not allowing to pull a prime. So let me show you a quick tip or hack, and hopefully get this pump primed. So this is the temporary fix, a free plastic shopping bag. It's by no means a permanent fix, but it is working and allowing the pump to prime, and we're actually getting good pressure on the filter. So this allows us to buy some time and keep the pump running until the client decides what they'd like to do, whether they want to replace it or repair it. So as always, like and subscribe, and have a great weekend.